Greetings from the Appalachian Hiking Trail in Dutchess County, Pawling, New York. Now, I've hiked the Appalachian Trail numerous times, but I came back today specifically to see Cat Rocks. Beautiful overlook in the Hudson Valley region. And it's the first time I'm seeing this waterfall, and it's November 19th. The first day that New York City particularly had their 32-degree arrival. It is still autumn, and the icicles are forming. Saw my first snowfall, frost, ice, and 32-degree temperatures on November 19th. But I also found a beautiful waterfall while doing some autumn hiking. Even though the leaves have fallen, it is warm enough to be outside and enjoy the crunch under your feet. Till next time, from New York Loves Fall.